Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see unitary method. So what do you mean by unitary method? Unitary method means finding the value of one unit first, then finding the value of the required number of units. Okay. First you have to find the value of one unit. Okay. Then you have to find the value of required numbers. Okay. So many to one we have to divide. Then one to many you have to multiply. This is the rule of this. Okay. So find the value of one unit. To find the value of one unit, you have to divide. So many to one means first you have to find the value of one unit. That you have to divide that. Okay. Then find the value of required number of units. You have to multiply that unit. Okay. For example, if 5 notebooks cost 250 rupees. Okay. How much do 8 notebooks cost? Okay. So for five notebooks cost 250. Then first what we have to do? You have to find out the cost of one notebook first. Okay. Cost of one notebook is, first you have to divide this. Okay. 250 divided by 5. Okay. So answer is 50 for one notebook. One notebook cost is 50. Okay. Then you have to multiply it for 8. So you have to multiply this 50 rupees into 8. How much? 400 rupees for 8 notebooks. Understood? Understood this? This is how you have to do the unitary method. Okay. First you have to find out the cost of one notebook and then you have to multiply the required amount. Okay. So let's move on to practice 4. The annual fee for a sports club for 12 persons is rupees 18,000. How much is the fee for 8 persons? For 12 person it is 18,000. Okay. Fee for 12 person it is 18,000 rupees. Okay. 18,000 rupees. So now we have to find out for one person. Okay. For one person you have to find out. So 18,000 divided by 12. Okay. So you have to make a division of this. Okay. So this is 1,500. Okay. 1,500 for one person. Fees for one person, it's 1,500. Then now you have to multiply this. So 1,500 into how much? 8. How much is the fee for 8%? 1,500 into 8. So answer is 12,000 rupees. 12,000. Understood? This is how you have to do the unitary method. First we have to find out the first unit, then you have to find by division, and then you have to multiply the required amount. Okay. Next, a train crosses 190 kilometers in 2 hours. What distance will it cross in 5 hours at the same speed? So, a train crosses 190 kilometers in 2 hours. Okay. So, for 2 hours, for 2 hours, it crosses 190 kilometer. Okay. So 1 hour we have to find out for 1 hour. For 1 hour, how much? 190 divided by 2. So 95 kilometer. Okay. For 1 hour, it crosses 95 kilometers. Okay. So then 95 into 5 multiply by 5 hours. Okay. So answer is 475 kilometer. Okay. Understood? Next, the entry ticket to a carnival costs 160 rupees for 8 persons. How much does it cost for 6 persons? For 8 persons, how much costs? Rupees 160. So you have to find out for one person. For one person, how much? 160 divided by 8. 20. For one person, it's 20. Okay. Now, how much it costs for 6 persons? 20 into 6. You have to multiply this. So, answer is 120 rupees. So, how much cost? 120 rupees 120 for 6 persons. Understood? Next, Sonali solved 24 puzzles in 6 hours. How many puzzles can she solve in 2 hours? So for 6 hours, for 6 hours, she solved 24 puzzles. Okay. So now we have to solve for 1 hour. For 1 hour, how many puzzles she solved? So for 1 hour, so 24 divided by 6. So 4 puzzles. Okay, she solved 4 puzzles. So now 4 into how many puzzles can she solve in 2 hours? 4 into 2. Answer is 8. 8 puzzles. Understood? Next, fifth one. 5 cricket balls weigh 800 grams. How much would 9 cricket balls weigh? For 5 cricket balls, for 5 for 5 cricket balls, it weighs 800 gram. So first what we have to do, we have to find out for one cricket ball, the weight of a one cricket ball. For one cricket balls, how much it weigh? 800 divided by 5. So 160 gram. So for 5 cricket balls, it's 800 gram. For one cricket ball, it is 160 gram. So now you have to multiply 160 into 9. Okay. So 1440 gram. Answer is 1440 gram. Understood? Next, 40 bricks weigh 120 kg. How much would 25 bricks weigh? So, for 40 bricks weigh 120 kg. For 1 bricks, how much? So, find out this. Okay. 120 divided by 40. So, 3. So, for 1 brick, it's 3 kg. Okay. How much would bricks, 25 bricks? So 25 into 3, 75 kg. For 25 bricks, it's a 75 kg. Understood this? For this, we finished our lesson multiplication and division. Okay. For worksheet 1 and worksheet 2, I'll share it in my WhatsApp channel. Please check it out. Okay. The link is in my description. Okay. Tomorrow we will start factors and multiples. Lesson 4. Okay. Thank you.